Hey loves, it's your girl Florence. I'm a Chundi, creative director of Chundibeauty. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Abuja, Nigeria. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel in case you're seeing this pretty face for the first time. Please don't make it your last by hitting the subscribe button and also turn on your post notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please give this video a big thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. It feels so good to have you here, and welcome on board. Today's video is going to be an exciting one. Yes, exciting, because it's going to be a very detailed video. Yes, so I'll be showing you how to draw your brows, your uncurved brows. Yes, as you can see, my brows is not curved, so I'll be showing you how to draw your brows without carving it. That's why I said it's going to be a detailed video. Yes, so without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So first thing first, you'll be needing your brow tamer, Browmatic by Damel. So you'll be needing your brow tamer. This is how it looks like. It's a clear brow tamer. Then second on the list, you'll be needing your eye pencil. So in here I have Davis pencil. I have Davis pencil in color 3, as you can see right here, and color 1, black one. So this is brown and this is black. So I'll be using the two. This is one of the brush from Glam Beauty. So this is a spoolie. You'll be needing this and this angle brush, but I don't usually use this, so I prefer using this one to draw my brows. It's also from Glam Beauty. You also need a blending brush. So this is one of the brushes from Glam as well. I use this to blend my concealer. Last but not the least, I'll be using this my concealer palette from FBH Cosmetics. Alright, first I brush my brows upward to see the natural shape and make everything look neat and fluffy. This helps guide where I want to fill in. Next, I'm applying my brow tamer to keep the hairs in place by brushing it upwards. I love this step because it gives that clean, lifted look without making the brows too hashy. Take your time and do this process gently. Make sure all the hairs are properly laid. Then I use my finger to press the hair down gently and I dry it using a hand fan. Make sure it's properly dry before going in to draw your brows. Now I'm going in with my Davis pencil. I'm starting with the black pencil to line the brow. Make sure you sharpen the pencil before using. If you notice, I didn't draw from the beginning of my brows. This is because I'm going to use a lighter pencil to create a light strokes to mimic my natural hairs. I like my brow a little bit dark. That's why I'm using black pencil to draw the line. But if you don't like a dark brow, you can use the brown pencil to line your brow and fill in with the same brown pencil, but make sure the strokes are lighter. Now I'm using my brown pencil to create a light stroke to mimic natural hair, focusing more on the spare areas while keeping the front soft and natural. The key to uncurved brow is not overdoing it. Honestly, it's not. So take your time, step by step, and make sure you get it right. Gently fill your brow like so, and I promise you get the perfect brow at the end. When you're done lining your brow and filling it, the final part is to conceal. I'm using a little concealer to clean around the brow, and slightly, not too sharp, just enough to brighten and define the brow while still keeping that soft glam finish. When you're doing this process, make sure you avoid shaking your hands and apply gently. So now I'm going in with a darker shade of concealer to conceal the front part. And then I went ahead to blend and diffuse the concealer using my brush. I blend, blend, and blend. For the top part, you can use the exact shade of your concealer or foundation to highlight it and blend it out. Make sure there is no harsh lines. And you're going to do this process gently. If you have watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and like this video, and also share to family and friends. You don't know who this video might be of help to. Let's hear your thought. You can drop a comment in the comment section below. And after blending the concealer out, I went ahead to clean the areas of the brow, and I used a compact powder to set the areas I concealed by using a tapping motion. And that's how I created my natural uncurved brow that still looks polished and beautiful. So this is the before and here's the after. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.